When you're out fishing someplace that has no cell tower and no phone service, what do you use to communicate with? If you're a pro fisherman, you know the answer is a handheld GPS. It not only helps you communicate, but also provides navigation, location sharing, and a multitude of weather data. The best handheld GPS devices are ergonomic, portable, and light as a feather. To know which would be perfect for your favorite outdoor activities, look at our guide video on the 10 best handheld GPS devices.
Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally. Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 10. Walfront Handheld GPS. If you're looking out for a simple-to-work typical convey with a conventional style, appearance no farther than the Walfront Handheld GPS. This handheld GPS is multiple tools for various outdoor activities, such as outdoor hiking, orienteering, outdoor rescue, looking for campsites, outdoor adventure, crossing the desert, looking for a water source, navigating along the road, time-saving tool for you to enjoy a pleasure and safety journey. This GPS is specially designed with a 2.4 inches color LCD. It features a 2,500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. Also, the GPS includes a hanging rope, a USB cable, a CD, a plug, and a user manual included in the package. No need to buy additional accessories, you can use them easily with the equipped manual. The USB charging and hanging rope offer a more convenient operation for you. This A6 handheld GPS navigation fully upgrades and optimizes the operation process, data organization form, satellite navigation location module, system and map navigation to meet the requirements of user acquisition, area measurement, navigation, point finding, track recording, and other work in various industries as much as possible. Number 9. BEVA Handheld GPS. Anyone who's invested energy in the desert knows there's a handheld GPS for fundamentally every kind of rough situation. Take, for instance, the GPS, which can be bulky to resist your situation. That is the reason you'll need to utilize the BEVA Handheld GPS. This GPS features a 2.4 inches large screen that makes it more clear and visually, you can set the local time for the area measure. A strong waterproof and dust-proof function can protect the area measure to the maximum extent. With a portable design, fits in your hand or pockets perfectly. The rubberized case offers a comfortable feeling of grip. CM84 Land Measurer is a very helpful tool for users' outdoor land measurement. It enjoys a high reputation from users, especially from forestry and agriculture. The product has been widely used in many agricultural activities for its creative handheld design and high performance and price ratio. Number 8. Garmin inReach Navigation Handheld GPS. If you're searching for a simple-to-work regular convey with an exemplary style, look no further than the Garmin inReach Navigation Handheld GPS. For even more capability and convenience, the free EarthMate app syncs your inReach handheld via Bluetooth with your compatible Apple or Android device, so you can access unlimited maps, aerial imagery, and US NOAA charts. It has 100% global Iridium satellite coverage that enables two-way text messaging from anywhere. In case of an at-risk situation, you can also use inReach to trigger an SOS to the 24/7 monitoring center, text back and forth about the nature of your emergency, and receive a confirmation when help is on the way. These handheld satellite communicators are designed for the outdoor enthusiast who wants to roam farther and experience more without compromising their loved one's peace of mind. Number 7. Garmin Oregon 700 Handheld GPS. Whether you're hiking, hunting, climbing, kayaking, trail riding, or whatever, this rugged navigator is ready for anything. It features multi-link wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ANT+, active weather support with animated radar overlays, and a 1-year bird's-eye satellite imagery subscription. This GPS has a 3-inch sunlight-readable touchscreen display with dual orientation. It also features a 3-axis tilt-compensated electronic compass with accelerometer and barometric altimeter sensors. The durable battery of this GPS works up to 16 hours. The length of this GPS diagram is 3 inches. The wireless Wi-Fi link and Bluetooth links on your Oregon 700 make it easier than ever to enjoy a superior geocaching experience. You can set your device to automatically stay up to date with all the latest caches from the geocaching website.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Garmin Rino Rugged Handheld GPS. Do you need the best handheld GPS for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best handheld GPS sitting tight for you. The Garmin Rino Rugged Handheld GPS is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This GPS makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This Rino Rugged Handheld 2-way radio offers extended range, up to 20 miles. It is designed with a 3 inches sunlight-readable touchscreen display with dual orientation. It also features a dual battery system that provides up to 14 hours between charges on a lithium-ion pack or up to 18 hours with optional AA batteries. The Rino 750 and 755T handhelds bring a whole new level of confidence to your outdoor adventures. Both models feature a unique position reporting capability that lets you send your exact location to other Rino users, so they can see it on their map displays. It has an 8-megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash/torch. Number 5. Garmin Altimeter Handheld GPS. Navigate your next adventure with the GPSMAP 64 CSX Handheld Navigator series. Whether you're hiking, cycling, geocaching, or climbing, more with reliable Garmin handheld navigation in the palm of your hand. And the series now has multi-GNSS support and topo active mapping. The GPSMAP 64X handheld series comes preloaded with topo-active maps featuring routable streets and trails, so you can take the journey off the grid. It is designed with 8 GB of onboard memory and a microSD trademark card slot for expandable storage. You can conveniently download even more maps. This GPS provides wireless connectivity via Bluetooth technology and ANT+ technology available on GPSMAP 64SX and GPSMAP 64CSX models. It has a rugged and water-resistant design with button operation and a 2.6 inches sunlight-readable color display. You can also find thousands of points of interest, including shops, restaurants, universities, parks, and accommodations through this GPS. Number 4. Garmin GPSMAP 78 Handheld GPS. If you're looking for the ultimate high-performance marine handheld, take your pick from the GPSMAP 78 series. It features high-sensitivity, WAS-enabled GPS receiver and hotfix floats rugged, shaded relief 1.7 GB of internal memory, plus a microSD card slot for optional mapping and data storage. This GPS features a bright 2.6-inch LCD color display with a built-in base map and high-sensitivity GPS receiver with hotfix. The GPSMAP 78 series takes recreational navigation to a new level. All three models are waterproof, include a built-in microSD card slot for loading additional maps, and have a dedicated MOB button. Garmin GPSMAP 78. Garmin International is pleased to announce the next generation in marine handhelds, the GPSMAP 78 series. Incorporating a sleek, new design and must-have features, these rugged units are a great fit in Garmin's best-selling lineup of color marine handhelds, and they float. Number 3. Garmin Montana Touchscreen Handheld GPS. Do you need the best handheld GPS for your regular convey? No pressure. Garmin Montana Touchscreen Handheld GPS is the best answer to your concern. The touchscreen handheld GPS is a standout amongst other folding knives on the lookout. The track manager of this GPS feature helps organize and navigate through waypoints, routes, and track logs. Montana has a vast 4-inch, sunlight-readable touchscreen display, giving you vivid colors and high-resolution images. It has an 8-megapixel autofocus camera that automatically geotags photos. Its easy-to-use touchscreen means you'll spend more time enjoying the outdoors and less time searching for information. Montana supports paperless geocaching GPX files for straight-to-device uploading of geocaches from geocaching.com. No more manually entering coordinates and paper printouts. Montana stores and displays key information, including location, terrain, difficulty, hints, and descriptions.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. inReach Handheld GPS. inReach CM83 is an ideal rugged land measuring tool that features area and length and circumference and price setting and total fare calculation for a large range of applications. It also main features and benefits that measure the length, width, and area of the farm through satellites, and also has the function of unit price set and fare calculating. This GPS supports GLONASS navigation satellite system, providing instant and precise positioning. It has a 2.4-inch 128 by 160 large screen that makes it more clear and visually. This GPS shows the current satellite signal intensity and positioning precision. The product has been widely used in many agricultural activities for its creative handheld design and high performance and price ratio. It has a 2.4 inches display and a 2200 mAh battery that works for up to 32 hours. It enjoys a high reputation from users, especially from forestry and agriculture.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Garmin eTrex Worldwide Handheld GPS. If you are looking for the best handheld GPS to suit your requirements, pick the Garmin Worldwide Handheld GPS. This eTrex model is equipped with a high-sensitivity GPS receiver, a 2.2-inch monochrome display, and a worldwide base map, making it easier than ever to see where you are and where you have been. The Garmin eTrex 10 GPS provides core functionality with rugged construction. The 2.2 inches monochrome display is easy to read in any lighting situation. The Garmin GPS has an easy-to-use interface that means you'll spend more time enjoying the outdoors and less time searching for information. It also features a built-in worldwide base map with multiple zoom levels and 500 waypoints with symbols. The eTrex 10 makes a great choice in handheld navigation for the budget-savvy outdoor enthusiast. And that's all for now. If you found our list useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more amazing angling related product reviews and buying guides.